Guys, I never believed that one random video, like one single video, would make me a millionaire on YouTube. Million, like when I'm talking about over 1.5 million naira. So if you're out there, if you are a creator and you're posting videos and maybe you're not getting the visibility that you deserve yet, or you feel like giving up, please do not give up, because YouTube is literally changing lives. This one particular video, I never expected it to pay me the amount it paid me. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us this particular video and how much it has fetched me so far. Like, believe me when I say you are going to be surprised. And also, I'll be sharing with us tips that you can be able to use to make money here on YouTube, whether you are monetized or you are not yet monetized. So with that much being said, let's get started. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you're wondering where I am, yeah, because the background I'm using for today's video is not my usual background. Actually, I traveled home. Yes, I got an urgent call to the village, so I am currently in the village. Okay, that is why you're seeing this background. I looked for a place to make this video because I really need to drop updates for you guys. Okay, so with that much being said, if you are a new person here, you're welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you. So I'm going to be taking you guys through my YouTube studio analytics, and I'll be showing you this particular video and how much it has fetched me. Funny enough, I'm going to be telling you guys something, okay? And that thing I believe is really going to help you as a YouTuber. So try your best not to miss any part of this video at all, okay? So let's get straight into my YouTube studio. So this is the video here, and let's quickly go through the video analytics. As you can see from here, this video has gotten 227.1k views in the last how many days? 213 days, because I posted this video 5 days after I got monetized on YouTube. Guys, this video has been paying me from that time till now. So let's quickly go straight to the video analytics. As you can see from the screen, this video has gotten 227.1k views, yeah. And this is the audience retention, intro, and the rest. So let's just go over to the watch hours. This video has generated 13.3k watch hours. Oh my god, this is awesome. And it has fetched me 8.8k subscribers. Don't play. So let's quickly go over to the reach of the video, and this video has gotten me 3.0, that is 3 million impression. Oh my god, the last time I checked it was around 2.7 million impression. Wow. So this is how viewers find this video: browse feature, suggested video, other YouTube feature, direct and unknown. That is why I used to advise us to upload videos that are going to come up on search results. What helped this video to blow up? Don't worry, I'll be telling you guys towards the end of this video. Okay, now these are the external sites or apps where people actually find this video. WhatsApp is number one, WhatsApp is number two, WhatsApp is number three. I think Google should be among, because it was Google that was initially bringing all the views as of then. So you can also see it from the screen. So let's just go back. Then YouTube search terms: Princess Chiamaka tutor zone, and no views. Because in this video I talked about how to get views and how to get subscribers on YouTube. Okay, now these are the content suggesting the video. I think 3 here is my content, and Chiamaka with creative care and vibes with Sonia. Okay, so these are the playlists featuring the video. Let's quickly go over to the engagement of the video. Oh my god, it's about to rain. Rain, you better not fall, okay? So for the engagement, 13.3k watch hours as usual. Audience retention, you can see it. And so let's go to the audience. One of the most important things you need to pay attention to, okay? Now for the audience aspect, these are the videos that is growing my audience, okay? And they're literally all my videos. That is, viewers also watched this particular video, okay? So another thing that we need to pay attention here is the geographical location and the age watching that particular video. It is going to tell whether you're going to make more money or you'll be making less. Okay, so for the age group, I have almost all the age watching that watched this video. I have 18 down to 65 years old. Okay, so let's quickly head over straight to the gender aspect of the video. And for the gender here, you can see that for the male aspect, 58, female 41. Wow, first time in history male actually watched this video more than my gender. So top geographic location, this is one of the most important thing. This thing is going to determine whether you make high money on YouTube or not. Like, so for the top geographics, I have United States as 24.2%. This was obviously why this video fetched me this huge amount. So for Nigeria, my people, I have 23.6%, and Kenya, I have Kenya for 5.5%, which is also beautiful. And before I forget, this video, I'm doing it from my main channel, okay? Yeah. So drum rolls. Let's head over straight to the revenue aspects. Yeah, because that is obviously why we are here. Okay, so for the revenue aspect, this video has fetched me 1.4k dollars. Somebody shout power. Oh my god, this video has earned me $1,400. Let's not loud it, okay? So this is how I make money. Watch page ads, membership. For those of you guys that is always tuning into my membership despite me not starting anything fully, may the good Lord I serve bless you mightily. Don't worry, I'm going to be surprising you guys soon, okay? So for the supers and gifts, I got 0.1%, and short feed ads. Yes, because I think some people reshare this video. Yes, I remixed the video to my shorts, something like that. Okay, now for the video performance, you all can see that YouTube has actually paid me for 226.5k views. Yeah, then how much does YouTube pay me for every 1,000 views I make from this video? YouTube pays me $6.21, which is really beautiful. Like, YouTube is so sweet. Yeah, so this is how much advertisers pay, which is my CPM. Because one thing is, your CPM is what advertisers will pay YouTube for that video. Then YouTube is going to remove their cuts. After removing their cuts, they will not give you what they think or they feel you deserve, which is your RPM. So from the screen here, my RPM is $6.21, and my CPM is $11.91. So this is it though. This is how much YouTube paid me for a video with 226,000 views. Now let's quickly check how much it is in naira. Just calm down. Let's check. Let's just check. So okay, let me even really show you the total amount. It's not really one. It's not really okay. You can see it here, $1,405. So let's quickly check it. $1,405 multiplied by, as of today, I think dollar is okay, let's just use round figure, 16 multiplied by 1,600. My heart is doing big boom. Okay, so let's go over. Oh my goodness, guys, this is what I have. 2,248,000. Somebody shout power. Oh my god, this video has earned me 2,248,000. One single video. Let me drop my phone. Like, one single video. So if you're out there, like, nothing has ever motivated you to do YouTube, my brother, my sister, I think this should be enough, or this is enough to like motivate you. Okay, now, okay, I said that I was going to tell you guys two things that actually made me earn higher from this video. Yeah, that is two things that actually made the video to go viral, and a background story. You see, this particular statement that says you really don't know when your breakthrough will come, or you really have no idea when a particular video is going to blow up. That is my story. I could remember this particular video. The day I wanted to show this video, I was taking my baby to immunization. The idea just came. I was like, Princess, why not do this video now? Tell these people how you've been able to start getting views after your low view experience and all. Then I said, okay, let me just share. I quickly handed my baby to my brother-in-law. Please help me to hold him. Just give me 5 minutes. Let me just do it. Then when I'm back in the evening, I'll make voiceover. These videos, I even posted it one of the worstest time. Abi, is that the right English? Correct me. I posted this video at a very wrong time, which was around after 11 p.m. in the midnight, when almost all my viewers are asleep. That was when I posted this video. Funny enough, it became my best performing video. So this is to tell you that that particular video that you kept on your draft, that you feel, oh, this one does not make sense, I'll post the one that makes sense, it might actually be the video that will bring you to limelight. So bring it up, okay, and try your best to be consistent. Then the second thing that helped me was optimizing my video, yes, and hopping on a trend, because as at that time that particular topic was trending, not the main context of the video. Am I making sense? Yeah, so I saw this particular video topic on one small creator, and it did so well. So I was like, okay, let me try to recreate it using her own information. So I used the exact title, and I also recreated her kind of thumbnail, but not really the thumbnail she used, because I believe that all these things actually helped this video to perform well. It's officially my one of the most best performing video, okay? So guys, I'm really so happy. And yes, I said that I was going to tell you guys how to make money, whether you're monetized or you're not monetized, okay? But that should be my next video. So what do you have to do? Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon, and I will see you all in my next video. I really don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'll have to be stopping it here, okay? Like, I'm so happy. This is after 5. It's actually very late now, and I have to quickly end the video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.